Hi guys, welcome to Sea Bear Scratchers. We're playing the lotteries, taking a chance on winning some money. So please smash that like, subscribe, and that notification bell, guys. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Alright guys, for tomorrow night, we are doing a half a book of the Holiday Cash Blowouts tickets 00 to ticket 14. And also included in this, we have a $20 session of the Day of the Dead tickets, guys. Yes. Day of the Dead tickets. Yes. Tickets 26 to 29. Thanks to my sister, she went to go visit in Texas. She sent me 4 tickets. And I scratched this on my first video, which there was no sound. Ticket 43. 16, 18. There's no matches. And then game 3, those were the numbers, but no matches here. And no prizes here, guys. So join me tomorrow night to see what I'm going to get on Day of the Dead. And my half a book. I went to a new store I have never ever been to. So I got ticket 0 to ticket 14. I've never been to the store before in my life. Yep. Come join me tomorrow. Have a happy Sunday, guys. Smash that like button for like so I can get a lot of love. A lot of like, too.